Once more, unlocking the meaning. Hello there, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might have come across, once more. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means, but you'll also know how to use it in different contexts. Let's get started. Once more is made up of two words. 1. Once, which often refers to one time. 2. More, meaning an additional time or amount. When combined, they literally mean one additional time. To truly grasp any phrase, it's always helpful to see it in action. Here are some examples. 1. Can you repeat that once more? In this context, the speaker did not hear or understand something and is asking for it to be repeated. 2. She decided to try the roller coaster once more. Here, it indicates that she has been on the roller coaster before and wants to experience it again. 3. Read the paragraph once more before submitting. This is an instruction to review something one additional time. It's also useful to know other ways to express the same idea. Here are some synonyms for once more. 1. Again, can you do that again? 2. One more time, sing that song one more time. 3. A second time, I had to read the message a second time to understand it. Well, once more is pretty straightforward. It's worth noting some common pitfalls. 1. Don't use once more to refer to multiple additional times. For that, you might say a few more times or several more times. 2. Ensure that once more is used in contexts where repetition or an additional instance is logical. Saying, I'm eating pizza once more today, might be confusing if you haven't mentioned eating pizza earlier. And that's a wrap on the phrase, once more. Remember, language is a living entity and it's all about practice. So, try using once more in your conversations. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you'll join us again for more English language insights. Until next time, happy learning!